Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through super reduced string, which is a problem under string section of problem solving on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So here's the problem statement. We have a string consists of lowercase character in the range of A to Z, and we need to perform a series of operations. If two adjacent character match, then we need to delete them. What does that mean? That means if you are moving from an index to the following index, and the two character on those two, like from the index to the following, is the same, we need to erase and perform the operation as soon as we have element that respect the condition. And at the end, we need to output the result string. Let's say for this one instance, we are moving from 0 to 1. They are the same, they are different, so nothing to do. From 1 to 2, they are the same, so we delete them. By deleting them, it makes now the string from 0 to 1 be the same because there will be AA, and then you delete them again. So the result string will be s equal to 0. Empty string, empty string you need to return instead of the empty string, you need to return the value empty string. So how are we going to approach this? Let me take another example for you to describe my approach. So let me have this for instance. Let me go with this string A B C C B A. Okay. So my approach will be to start from index 1. So I'm starting from index 1. I'm comparing to the previous one. If they match, I need to perform a couple of operations. If they don't match, I move to the next one, which is this one. This one is not matching with the previous, I'm moving to the next one. This one matched with the previous. If it matched with the previous, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete the element first, which actually doesn't affect my index. I'm going to delete the previous one also. And by deleting the previous one, kind of create a shift. So I was at position 3 when I performed the operation. Now the position 3 is here, because by deleting the previous element, I kind of shift the string from the one character to the left. So every time I'm gonna delete a substring, if I'm not at position 1, I'm gonna move back one string backward. And here is where I will be after the operation, and I will do the same. I'll be at position, here is position 2. Position 2, I'm gonna delete it, and after deleting it, I'll be here. I'll be at position 2, and by reducing by 1, I'll be here at position 1, and I will delete again. So here is basically my approach of solving this problem. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the implementation. This is what the implementation will give. Then it is. Sorry. So I'm gonna first, what is the input? We have a string as input. So we need to have, we have our input here. We need to have an iterator. I will start it by 1, like I was saying, and I will say while my iterator is lower than the size of my string. Why it is lower than the size of a string, I'm gonna make the first check I was saying. If the element before my string is equal to the element at the position of my iterator, so I'm gonna erase two elements from position e minus 1. So from position e minus 1, I'm gonna erase 2 elements, right? I need to erase 2 elements from position minus 1. And after erasing the element, I need to check, are we at the position 1? If we are not at position 1, then we need to decrease our iterator to make sure we are not missing element, because by deleting this we have created a shift on our string. And else we just need to increase our operator. Else, that means if this one is not matching, we need to increase our operator. So at the end of this loop, we are going to have our result, and we need to perform a check. We need to check if our string is actually empty. We don't need to return it. If it's empty, we need to have the value empty string, right? Now we can output our result. I hope this approach was clear for you. Let me run and see what it gives. We have everything green. Let us submit and see what it gives. So you can see that everything was green. So this was an interesting problem under seeing how to perform operation on string, removing operation, erasing, looping through a string, and perform basic condition. So it was interesting for me going through this problem. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, enjoy, subscribe to receive the next video. See you. Ciao.